Yes, so it's me, your old chum, friend, whatever you like to call me. I'm playing Little Big Planet because I got bored watching TV and I just woke up. It's like 5 o'clock, 5:10, 5 somewhere around 5 o'clock. And I'm playing Little Big Planet, so I kind of made some of my own levels. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work on that. So I'm gonna be working on this, but I'm going to also be doing this at the same time. So let's see here. What am I going to use? Goodies. Stuff. Community objects. Yes, I've got a lot of community objects. So I play a lot of community levels. I don't really get into the interest of story mode. So let's see. Good car. Where is that good car? Here's one. Now I've kind of got to edit this thing where it can stick to a loop. Special rocket. I need another one of those in the back. Sorry you're hearing me ramble on and on and on about Little Big Planet. I was just starting to get a little bored with Black Ops, you know? So I thought, heck, change it up. Now let's see, now, you know what, I gotta do something about that. There we go. Let's see. Tweak on. Now let me test it. You know what? I'm going to make a totally new level, so Peace. Well, bye.